chicken. Oh no, that was in the Popeyes in the mouth. I need to go get some of that greasy bird. Put some vinegar on it. Oh, that's a good bird. Put a little vinegar on that bird. On that Popeyes chicken. No, that makes it. Oh no, get the spicy one. Oh no, that's some good eating. Can't do it today. I'm trying to lose weight. Face gets too fat, hand too fat, leg too fat, head fat, eyes fat, stomach gets too heavy. I need to lose a little weight. That's why I'm out here trying to exercise just a little bit. Oh Lord, Ponce another car wash. Only go through during the winter months when it's too cold to wash the car. Car wash next to they get my food. Otherwise, I don't go. So, go to the shopping center. I'm not going to spend no money. Have no money to spend. I have to go to savings. I can't do that. So I'm not going in. But I will ride through the parking lot. God, I don't see nothing I really like. I know me. I'll find a way through a credit card. Then next week I'll be trying to rebuke that credit card today. And I'm the one who used the card. Pray my strength in the Lord.